Hey everyone, this is Amon, and today I want to show you a quick tip about how I like to use Spotlight and Zbrush to display and manage my reference images. When you go to the texture palette, at the top of the screen and then down to import, you can bring in a variety of different types of images, so I'm going to do that now. So if I go back to the texture palette, you can see the image that I imported is right here. This is the image I want to work from while I'm sculpting today, so click that image, and then down here at the bottom, you'll see a +- button for Add to Spotlight.
Click that button. Press the comma key to get rid of Lightbox if that pops up. And you'll see it imports this image into Zbrush's workspace here. And you'll get this little coin with all sorts of different options and tools, such as scale and opacity. Zbrush treats all totally black areas of your image as transparent. Don't forget to turn off intensity. Now I've got a transparent image that I can just have floating around in my workspace. You'll see the transparency works pretty nicely there. And it doesn't take up any unnecessary space. And as always, anytime you're working with an image in Spotlight, make sure to go into the brush palette, down to samples, and turn off Spotlight projection. Otherwise you won't be able to use any brush that has RGB turned on, or the smooth brush, while you're sculpting. So a couple quick Spotlight commands: Shift Z to show and hide Spotlight. Once Spotlight is shown, press Z to get your little medallion here and move things around and manipulate this image, and then Z again to drop that image onto the canvas and bring you back to your mesh for sculpting. Alright, that's it for today. I hope this tip was helpful to you, and I'll see you again soon.